nigga. Fuck me, you out the luck, nigga.
This is Los Angeles. This is Los Angeles.
I was raised in the hood, what the fuck, nigga? Dub C, you better duck, nigga. Fuck me, you out the luck, nigga.
This is Los.
The shit don't stop. I'm still stacking my cash out in the backyard with niggas hiding, cracking their gas. It's getting kinda hot, but I ain't leaving the spot, cause don't nobody give a fuck if I'm eating or not, nigga. South Central, the gang bang capital, with gunfires rapping, a one-time begaffling. Murder is a headline, half an ounce of chronic is a misdemeanor, 1 gram of hard is fair time. The name of the game is survival. Keep the thing on me like a preacher do a Bible. Fuck unity, ain't no motherfucking one love. Crips killing Crips, nigga bloods killing bloods. Niggas telling, gotta stay, gotta dodge. On the stage, y'all be singing like Mary J. Blige, but I'ma stay cocking my pistol, going hard in the paint. Niggas can't stop my dribble.
I was raised in the hood, what the fuck, nigga? Dub C, you better duck, nigga. Fuck me, you out the luck, nigga.
This is Los Angeles. This is Los Angeles.
I was raised in the hood, what the fuck, nigga? Dub C, you better duck, nigga. Fuck me, you out the luck, nigga.
This is Los Angeles. Gang capital.
Los Angeles.
This is Los Angeles.
I was raised in the hood, what the fuck, nigga? Dub C, you better duck, nigga. Fuck me, you out the luck, nigga.
This is Los Angeles. This is Los Angeles.
Out the belly of CA, hated by the DA. Skating in a 6 tray, drinking on EJ. Everything gon' see okay as I turn this bottle for my niggas DOA. South Central LA, where every day the LAPD get a Burby and a freeze on a PA. You know they wanna lock us away, they laughing away while we killing each other, the blacks and the essays. Fuck how much money you make, they gon' hate. Ballin' ass nigga, they gon' still treat you like OJ.
A nice car where the kilos lay.
Po wanna send us where the POs play, thinking we all get our money the Carlito's way. Charles Manson can kill and live to see another day, but if you're black like Tookie, they gon' steal you away.
I was raised in the hood, what the fuck, nigga? Dub C, you better duck, nigga. Fuck me, you out the luck, nigga.
This is Los Angeles. This is Los Angeles.
I was raised in the hood, what the fuck, nigga? Fuck me, you out the luck, nigga.
This is Los.
I bet you snatch a chain off a nigga's neck, but you won't dare snatch a badge off that nigga's chest. And it's funny, cause if you put C in front of the word op, then you'll probably just figure out who's your biggest threat. In Long Island, they choked that poor man to death. In Missouri, Mike Brown caught one in the head. Couple days later, they shot another nigga 9 times and had the audacity to cuff him after he was dead. All that blood spilled, all them tears shed. All these young unfinished lives ended. If I committed murder, I'll get 25 to life. But if a cop commit murder, he only gets suspended. Fuck your uniform, fuck your badge, fuck your weapon. You're supposed to protect us, instead you want us to fear you. And practice on us all those lethal tactics that they teach you. Stop abusing your power, nigga. Me and you are equal. You bleed, I bleed too. You eat shit, I eat too. You got a family waiting for you at home, right? Nigga, me too. You